officer, not taking an oath to uphold the law. I don't show favoritism to anyone, regardless. I don't care if you're a gangbanger or the President of the United States.
Sir, I'm not asking for that.
Then what the hell are you asking him for? That's exactly what you're asking him for.
If I was to treat you differently than I was to treat my...
Friends, it's your favorite attorney session, here to react to another video for you today. Today I will be reacting to Law and Crime Network's police captain suspected of DUI begs officer to turn off the body cam. As always, thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments. I love interacting with you guys. But other than that, let's jump right into it.
Stay in your vehicle. Back in your car.
I'm
drunk?
no, Captain.
Huh? A what?
Captain.
Yeah, it sounds to me as if he's trying to tell him that he's a captain. Buddy, look, some of you may know, some of you may not know that it doesn't matter who you are. I don't care if you're a politician, police captain, officer, lawyer. It doesn't matter who you are. When you're pulled over in a traffic stop, the law applies to you equally. Already him informing him that he's a police captain tells me that he wants some kind of special treatment. Let's see how this officer handles this situation.
Of what? Don't reach in your pocket. Get back in your car.
It seems like he's treating Captain like any other person so far.
116, show me 1060 on Henry Lincoln Edward 497. Have a seat.
I will. I'm not.
You've been drinking tonight?
Do not answer that question. Do not, I repeat, do not answer that question. Since the captain here is treated like any other person, then my suggestion to any other person, of course, this is not legal advice, but my suggestion to any other person would be not to answer that question, because no matter what your answer is, unless your answer is, oh, I haven't had anything to drink, officers, then no matter what you say will be evidence they're using to accumulate probable cause against you to make an arrest. Do not answer that question.
I just got a ride.
You've been drinking tonight, sir.
Don't answer.
Captain on the police department.
What police department?
Oklahoma City.
He's like, turn your camera off. Turn your camera off.
What division?
Investigations.
What are you doing pulling in here?
My mom and I stay here.
You been drinking?
Don't answer that question. Again, I can't stress it enough. Do not answer that question.
How much you had to drink tonight, sir?
Don't answer that question either.
Huh? I'm not turning my camera off.
Okay.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
The cop has issued Cap here a lot of lawful commands. First, he tells him to sit in his vehicle. Then he's telling him to get out of his vehicle. So a cop can't order you out of your vehicle during a traffic stop. You and the passenger, he or she can order you out of your vehicle.
You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, we're not going to get a return on it. How much you drink at your poker game?
Don't answer.
Not much.
Not much.
Oh.
How much is not much?
I don't know.
Oh, God, Cap, why'd you answer that question, Cap? You were doing okay until then. You were doing okay until that point.
Beer, liquor, how many beers?
3 or 4.
Oh.
How long ago was that?
It's been going on a while.
Oh.
How long ago did you drink your last beer, sir?
Don't.
What time is it now?
Oh.
It's 0140.
Midnight.
You think you should drive it?
No, but I came from 4 blocks.
Your mom lives here.
I live here.
You live here.
Yes.
There are a few things I noticed here. The captain here is parked at his home, in his driveway. Can the cops come onto your driveway to question you? The driveway is part of what's known as the curtilage of the house, which is an area adjacent to the home and to which the activity of the home life extends. The Supreme Court has long held that the curtilage of the home has the same constitutional privacy protection as the home itself. What this means is that, let's say if your car is parked in your driveway and the cops roll by and suspect your car of containing drugs or weapons or anything like that, and they want to search your car, which is sitting in your driveway, they need a warrant based on probable cause, just like they would have to obtain in trying to search your home. But the difference here, from what I can tell, is that the officer followed Cap home, which means he was maybe in pursuit of Captain before he got to his house, and Captain kept on going and turned into his driveway, and the cop followed him there. So, can the cop come onto the man's driveway like he did in this case? The answer is yes, if the cop is in hot pursuit of Captain, which all evidence indicates that he was. The officer is protected by the hot pursuit doctrine, which provides that police may pursue a fleeing suspect into a home without a search warrant when they have probable cause to make an arrest and when the arrest was already in motion in a public place within their jurisdiction. The officer mentioned a second ago that Captain was swerving, wasn't using his blinker, and so you can technically be arrested and taken into custody for violations of traffic laws. Well, the cop may have had probable cause to arrest Captain, so pursuing Captain onto the curtilage of his home is a lawful exercise of the cop's power.
Forward to the rear of your vehicle.
Okay.
You got any weapons or anything on you?
I do not.
Just turn around, I'm gonna pat you down real quick.
Go ahead. Do what you need to do. I promise you I'm not a problem.
Okay.
Can I shut my door?
I'll shut it for you. Just hang out there at the rear of your Chevy.
That's a plug for Chevrolet.
What investigations are you with?
Outside and assault.
Yeah, over there. You know Lieutenant Britton?
Then there should be any discussion
Yeah.
as to whether it should be available to.
He's a good man. I like him.
He is. He works for Jermaine.
Jermaine Johnson?
Yes.
Jermaine's a good man too.
He is.
Small talk. And I think this officer is like hitting Cap with a low blow. That's a good man. That's a good man too. And trying to insinuate that Cap ain't a good man because he may have had a few things to drink tonight. I don't know. Maybe he's on to something.
Hang on right there, sir.
That's close.
Just stand with your feet together, hands down by your side for me. Hands down by your side, please.
It seems clear to me that this officer is getting ready to conduct a field sobriety exam on the officer, and he did not ask him, is he willing to submit to a field sobriety exam? So here's the question. Do you have to submit to a field sobriety exam when the cops ask you to do one or ask you if you want to do one? The answer is no. You do not have to submit to a field sobriety exam. But if you do not submit to the field sobriety exam, they can arrest you and take you in. Now, if you agree to do a field sobriety exam, what is that going to look like? There are usually 3 tests given as a part of a field sobriety exam. The first one is usually the one-leg stand, where they make you get on one leg and hop around. Now, I'm not sure if they make you hop around, but they make you stand on one leg, which is quite difficult to do even if you're not drunk. The second test, the walk and turn test, is equally difficult to do even if you're not drunk, where they make you walk and make your heel touch your toe, which kind of sounds like a Lil Jon song. Bend over to the front, touch your toes, bounce it up and down, get low, get low. But instead of bending over and touching your toes, they're trying to make your heels touch your toes as you walk in a straight line. And my friends, that is extremely difficult. I tried it a second ago, not because I was drunk, because I just wanted to try and see how difficult it was while being sober. Believe me? And the third and final test is called the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, which it looks like that's what's happening right now. During this test, the cop asks you to follow his finger here or there, and I guess they are looking for involuntary eye movements from you. As I said, the cop was never asked if he wanted to conduct the test, but it looks as if he's about to consent to doing it anyway. If you decide to do the field sobriety exam, it's pretty much an observation where the cop is gathering evidence to obtain probable cause to arrest you for being drunk.
Look straight ahead. You see the tip of my pin, sir? I do. I want you to follow the tip of my pin without moving your head, okay? Don't move your head, sir.
He's moving his head.
Come over here, it's a little bit more level.
All right, looks like he's about to do the walk and turn
You have
test.
those shoes and he cause you for keeping your balance or anything?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay. I'm going to demonstrate for you first. While I'm demonstrating, I want you to stand with your feet together, hands down by your side, just like this. All right, sir? What's your name?
Matt French.
Matt French. Mr. French, stand just like that for me.
Mr. French.
When I tell you to begin, okay, I'm just going to demonstrate for you first. I want you to pick a foot of your choosing. It doesn't matter if it's your left or your right foot.
I'm familiar.
And I want you to lift it approximately 6 inches off the ground. And while you look at your toe, I want you to count by 1,000. It's 1,001.
He has to look at his toe while he does it? Oh, man, this is going to be good. In a bad way.
1,003, 1,004, 1,005, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. At any point in time, you lose your balance or your foot touches the ground, just go ahead and pick your foot back up and continue to count, okay? Do you understand these instructions I've explained to you, Mr. French? You may begin.
Oh, man. Say no.
I cannot, sir.
Please.
I know you're aware of our Bodycam policy. You know I cannot turn off this Bodycam.
But I'd like to talk to you.
I can't do that, sir.
Please.
Captain, it's not looking good for you, and it's not gonna look good for you if you continue to ask this cop to turn off his body cam, because it seems as if you're trying to get special treatment. That never looks good.
I'd like to talk to you.
What? Are you going to do the test or not?
Will you please talk to me?
I'll talk to you once
You
we're
can
done.
turn it off, you can turn it on.
I can turn it off once I'm done with my investigations.
Okay. I'm asking you. I'm a captain on the police department.
That does not matter. It does not matter if you're captain of a police department. It does not matter if I'm an attorney. You don't get special treatment.
I understand that, sir.
I get
And I am
that.
a sergeant on this police officer, and
I
I
am
take
not.
an oath to uphold the law. I don't
not.
show favoritism to anyone, regardless. I don't care if you're a gangbanger or the president of the United States.
Sir, I'm not asking you for that.
Then what the hell are you asking them for? That's exactly what you're asking them for.
If I was to treat you differently than I was to treat like some Southside loco or some pedo, how's that look on me?
Okay, I'm not asking
Some Southside loco or some pedo. Oh, man, come on.
for that.
Because I wouldn't do that for any of them.
Sergeant Skinner, please.
Are you going to do the test or not, sir?
I will. I will do whatever you ask.
Okay, once we complete the test, I'll turn off my body cam once I'm done with my investigation.
Okay.
You want to try that again?
I will.
You may begin.
This is bad.
2, 3, 4. So please,
Please.
please. I'm asking you.
I can't do that.
Okay.
So we're not going to do the test?
We will.
Okay. Stop it. Wait, let's try another test.
Who is this?
One of my partners.
Who is he? He's back up because you about to get arrested, man. When another officer comes onto the scene to assist, 9 chances out of 10, you're about to get arrested and you're going to jail.
Not sure. Can't tell with the lights on. No, it's Officer Kitch. You're familiar with the walk and turn?
I am.
Okay. While I demonstrate the walk and turn for you, I want you to stand with your left foot in front of your right foot, okay? Left foot in front of your right foot, heel to toe, hands down by your side. Can you do that for me, sir?
You want left foot in front of the right?
Yes, sir. Hands down by your side. All right. Attempt to hold that position while I demonstrate for you. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting out loud.
Officer, he can't do it. He can't do it. He is drunk. He's wasted. He cannot do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll say that's 9. On your 9th step, without lifting your lead foot, you're going to pivot like so. And then you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting each step out loud, back the way you came until you get to 9. Do you understand these instructions I've explained to you, Mr. French?
I believe so.
All right, anytime you're ready, you may begin.
1, 2, 3.
No, he's doing okay. Oh, no.
5.
Oh, yeah, I take that back.
1.
Okay, not bad.
4, 5.
Not, he'll, okay, no.
9.
Go ahead and turn around for me. Put your hands behind your
Yeah, I knew that was coming next.
Yes, I am.
Can I talk to you?
Go ahead and put your
He's
hands
talking
behind
to
your
you.
back, sir.
Can we get the camera off now?
Yeah, we'll turn the camera off now.
Thank you. I like to.
That was rather interesting. I wonder if the cop actually took him in. If any of you guys looking at this video can research that for me and post a link or something in the comments, I would greatly appreciate it. I want to find out if Captain French was actually taken in and booked and charged with a DUI, just to see how true this cop is to his camera self. But thank you guys once again for tuning in. Please remember to leave a comment and like and subscribe to the page. I will always try to give you some fresh content. And if you have any videos you would like me to react to, please leave those in the comments as well. Until next time, take it easy, my friends.
Let's go.